If your life feels like it's quietly falling apart, this isn't the end. It could be your beginning. It's not a dramatic crash, but a silent erosion, a slow dimming of your spirit. You go through the motions, feeling a growing gap between who you are and who you pretend to be. These aren't signs of breaking down. They're cracks in the old foundation, making way for something new. This feeling isn't a dead end, it's a doorway. Let's walk through it together. It starts with a tiredness that sleep can't fix, a bone-deep weariness that coffee can't touch. This isn't just physical fatigue, it's soul fatigue, a sign you're running on empty. Your body is protesting, begging you to stop pushing against your own current. Ask yourself, where am I leaking energy? What's draining my life force? This isn't laziness, it's a misalignment between your actions and your true purpose. When your body asks for rest, it's really asking for peace. Remember when you felt excited by your passions? Now they feel hollow, chores instead of joys. This loss isn't failure, it's a sign you've outgrown your old container. Your soul is evolving, craving new experiences and meaning. Thank your old passions, and give yourself permission to seek what lights you up now. You scroll through others' highlight reels and feel left behind, as if everyone else got a secret map. Comparison turns your life into a scorecard, and you feel like you're losing. But your journey has its own timeline. It's not meant to look like anyone else's. Feeling stuck isn't failure. It's preparation for a different path. You're not behind. You're in a sacred pause, being rerouted. Instead of comparing, ask, what is this stillness trying to teach me? You smile but don't feel joy. You cry but don't feel relief. Emotional numbness is your mind's way of protecting you when life is overwhelming. But living in this muted world isn't truly living. It's just surviving. Numbness blocks out both pain and joy, signaling you've been in survival mode too long. It's time to find a space where you can feel again, even if it hurts at first. You ignore calls, make excuses, and slowly withdraw from those who care. Solitude feels safer, not because you don't love others, but because you're afraid to burden them. You build walls, feeling protected but profoundly lonely. This retreat signals your social energy is depleted. You're craving authentic connection, where you can be real, messy, and accepted. Use this isolation to reevaluate your relationships and seek true authenticity. Is your mind a constant storm of worries and what-ifs? This mental noise is a symptom of misalignment, a desperate plea for clarity and peace. Overthinking digs you deeper into anxiety, disconnecting you from your intuition. The solution isn't to think harder, but to be still and listen to your soul. The answers you seek are in the quiet between your thoughts. You quietly wish you could start over, move somewhere new, press reset. This isn't weakness, it's your true self calling for change. The exhaustion, numbness, and loneliness have led you here. You're ready to let go of who you've been pretending to be. This desire isn't fantasy, it's your North Star. It's time to listen. A restart isn't failure, it's rebirth. True resilience is choosing yourself and building a life aligned with your truth. You don't need permission or the perfect moment, just the decision to begin. Readiness is a choice, not a feeling. Your new beginning starts in your mind, with the belief you're worthy of a life that feels good inside. Listen to the whispers before they become screams. If this spoke to you, your transformation has already begun.